Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is an old memory. I was about 10, 12 years old. My mom and I were in this town, and she just happened to stop at the grocery store there. And uh, I don't know if I'd went in with her or stayed in the car, but anyway, I was helping her get the groceries in the car, and a car was driving by and something clanked. And we were right there. And she said, "That looks like a knife in the road." She said, "Go get it." And it wasn't that busy a road. I knew how to get out there and get out, without getting hurt. So brought back an old knife, looked something like this. Was it a murder weapon? There was no blood on it, but anyway, Mom looked at it and she kept it. So I knew what that meant. That was a project. So the handle was in pretty good shape. We really didn't do anything to that. She scrubbed the blade of it, and then she had me work on sharpening it. And I was having such a fun time sharpening it, I put an edge on that thing. And whenever she went to the rest home, I tried to see if I could find that knife, but they had help in the house and stuff like that, and stuff got plundered and outright stole, and I never could find it. But I always wondered what the origin was of that knife, if that was involved in a murder at some point, but I doubt they'd have disposed of it on the highway or if somebody was toting it as a weapon. That was back in the day. You just didn't hear about stuff like that, and who knows. But where it happened at was near where Pee Wee Gaskins was from. So who knows? And I'll leave a link in the description with some information on Pee Wee Gaskins. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.